Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family. We've grown strong.
Hello, you're with Libby Dyson from libbystamps.com, and today I'm doing another How Do I Do That videos, and we're going to do the two-tier eclipse technique today. Now this is the first card I made. The one we're making today will be a bit different, and I've used the pressed petals DSP. I've also used the hand lettered Prose dies, beautiful dies, and you can get all these products in my online store. What you need to do is set up on your big shot your DSP, and this one's the pressed petals one, with your dies. Now I've got like post-it note strips on mine, and I've tried to get them straight. Alright, so when you put them on, just put your ruler over the top and make sure they're straight. Put your sticky post-it note on if you like, to keep it on your magnetic platform, and run it through your big shot. Alright, then when you've done that, you're going to take it off, just lift it up, and then remove your sticky, and you can keep those bits for another project. I like these thin rolls of sticky strip. You could use washi tape or other tape, as long as it's not too sticky. If you're using washi tape, just take some of the tack off the back of it by, jumping it up and down on your top, your clothes. We've got that removed, and then we've got our letters. So we're going to take those out, and with our DSP, we're just going to glue that on to our card, which is very vanilla. It goes nicely with this DSP, and I'm just putting a bit of glue around the letters just to make sure I get all that stuck down nicely. So this is just a very vanilla card, half an A4 or half a letter size, and then I've just cut the DSP to 10 by 14.4, so we've got that bit done. So you can see the difference. I think this will stand out better. So with your letters that you have now, don't forget to use the little dot off your exclamation mark. So you're just going to pop some liquid glue. You could use fine tip glue, and you're just going to pop it on the letter. Just do little dots. I've cut it out in Mossy Meadow as well, so you need to cut the letters out in a dark cardstock, as well as what you've cut on your card front. Then I'll bring in my tweezers because I find that's easier. And then you just need to add your letter, your DSP part, to the Mossy Meadow that you cut out. And you can do that on a scrap piece. You don't need to cut that out from a piece that's a card size. On the back of our letters, we're going to put some foam adhesive tape. And I've already cut a bit here, so I'm just going to put that on here, and I just need one more bit. Now, when I did my O, I actually cut two bits. I'll show you here in a second. So I've cut two bits, or cut one bit in half, so you can mould it round the circle. So I'm using foam adhesive strip for that, and then we just need to take off the backing from our foam adhesive strip, and you need it on all your letters. And then I just find using tweezers easier. You're going to just add it. This is just a two-tier one. you could add more tiers to it by cutting more cardstock. So add it like that. I turn the card round so I can see that I've put it in the right place. So it's going to go right in where you die cut the letters out of your DSP, just like that. So we'll go ahead and do the rest. So it's quite an effective technique and quite easy to do. And apart from the die cutting of your DSP to start with and getting your letters straight, that's the most difficult part. And as I said, I used Post-it note to make sure they wouldn't move on my magnetic platform. So I just get those from the stationers, and I just find that doing it that way gives me confidence that they're not going to move on the magnetic platform. Right, done. So that's the 2-tier eclipse technique, and here's the one I made before. This one's just got the very vanilla cardstock background. This one's got very vanilla and mossy meadow. So that's the 2-tiered eclipse technique, and you can buy all these products in my online store. I'd love you to shop with me, and thanks so much for stopping by today. Bye for now.
And doing what we love.